Hello, this is Mason. I'm the lead engineer at PLM. Today we're going to show you how we make a strut bar for the M2 and M3 BMW. We start by using our far arm to scan the engine bay. We need accurate points to see where the strut bar is going to go. Here's the scan of the engine bay that we did. Make sure to focus on all the important parts of where the strut bar is going to go. We use this to design the final strut bar. Alright, you can see how it's going to fit. We have it going over all the bolt holes. And so this is the finished billet strut bar design that we came up with. Next we 3D printed. We used our Fusion 3 filament 3D printer combined with our Phantom XXL2 resin printer for the longer arms and bigger parts. Over here you can see the 3D printed version for test fitment. After we get everything dialed in and everything fitting perfect, we go to the next step, which is to start milling it. So we started by putting it on our 3-axis VF2, did all the top. Then I moved it to the UMC 500, used the 5-axis to turn it at an angle and do all the angled parts, including the logo. Then I brought it back to the VF2, turned it over to finish it up. And over here you can see a finished version of the base. You can see here it came out clean, and we test fitted it using on the car using the 3D printed version. It came out clean. And that's how we mill in-house strut bars over here at PLM.